Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about standards of mental health nursing. There are some standards. Each and every nurse have to follow these standards in order to render nursing care to the clients. Let us see what are the mental health nursing standards. Standards are classified into two sections: professional practice standards and another one is professional performance standards. First, let us discuss about professional practice standards. Professional practice standards are six standards, which includes number one, standard is theory; number two, data collection; number three, diagnosis; number four, standard is planning; number five, intervention; and number six, evaluation. First standard of professional practice is theory. In this standard, which explains that we have to apply the relevant theory to explain a phenomena or to provide a basic interventions for a client. So let us see what is theory, why this theory need to be applied to the psychiatric clients. Theory means a system of ideas to explain something. Theory always based on some principles. Theories in psychiatric nursing provides basic nursing care. These theories are formulated based on scientific observations and study. Nurses must apply theory in nursing care based on the situation of a client to take appropriate decisions. Second standard is data collection. Data collection is considered as the basic or starting step of a patient care. Data collection is helpful for assessment of each and every patient. For that, a nurse must collect subjective and objective data. This process helps to gather all the information about patient to diagnose the condition as well as to plan the care. Data collection is very much necessary. So, nurses must follow the standard in right way to provide maximum care to the patient. Systematic methods are used to collect the data such as observation, effective interview, behavioral observation, physical and mental health assessment, etc. Standard 3 is diagnosis. Diagnosis means identify the disease condition. Nurse can understand diagnosis of a patient by checking the medical records. Actual and potential problems of a clients need to be assessed to prepare a proper nursing diagnosis and care plans. Nurses need to use critical thinking to interpret the data for nursing diagnosis. There are three types of nursing diagnosis are available. Those are actual nursing diagnosis, health promotion diagnosis, and risk nursing diagnosis. Let us see what are these different types of nursing diagnosis. Actual nursing diagnosis means diagnosis of a present problem. Health promotion diagnosis is used to improve the nursing care. Risk nursing diagnosis is about diagnosis of risk factors which triggers the mental condition. Next standard is planning. Planning includes two processes such as problem solving and decision making. Nurse can participate the client also in planning process. Planning includes psychotherapeutic interventions. Accurate planning is very much important to provide exact care to the patient. There are three kinds of plannings. Those are initial planning, ongoing planning, and discharge planning. Planning steps are entirely different in each type of planning. That means in each type of initial, ongoing, and discharge planning steps are different. Always set the plans based on the priorities of a client and goals. The nursing care plans are used to guide therapeutic interventions and to achieve the desirable outcomes. Next standard is intervention. Intervention means performance of the plans and record the effect of plan. This process of intervention includes performing plans and documentation of plans. Intervention should be priority based and systematic way to avoid complications. In psychiatric nursing, interventions will be related to the psychotherapeutic interventions. By these psychotherapeutic interventions, nurse assess client in regard to improve their coping abilities and to prevent further disabilities. And also, nurse give a health education to individual, family as well as to the groups in order to achieve a satisfying productivity pattern of living through health education. They will be giving health education in aspects of preventive, promotive care, and the nurse will be assisting in a daily living activities. Mentally ill person who cannot able to perform their daily living activities, her actions will be related to the providence of daily living activities, not only helping a client to do their daily living activities, she also teaches a client how to independently perform their daily living activities. And assists in a somatic therapist provides a therapeutic environment by a proper planning. She utilizes advanced clinical expertise in individual, group, family psychotherapy, child psychotherapy, and other treatment modalities to function as a psychotherapist. Sixth standard is evaluation. Evaluation is a process of checking the effect of plans on patient. It will collect the feedback of a patient to make corrections. Evaluation helps to understand the progress of care and patient's reactions towards plans. This feedback helps the nurse to compare the data and plan of care.